Hey foodies, ready for a wild ride? Today, I'm taste testing some of the best trending foods from around the globe. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a flavor-packed journey. First stop, Japan. Have you heard of the viral cloud bread? It's like biting into a sweet, fluffy cloud. Super light, but oh so satisfying. And the best part? It's gluten-free. If you haven't tried it yet, you're missing out. All right, let's hop over to Italy. You know pizza, but have you tasted the pinza romana? It's trending for a reason. This ancient Roman recipe uses rice, soy, and wheat flour. The result? A crispy, light, and incredibly flavorful crust. Trust me, one bite and you'll be hooked. Next, we're heading to South Korea. The latest buzz? Tteokbokki. These spicy rice cakes are chewy, savory, and have just the right amount of kick. Perfect for those who love a bit of spice in their life. Pair it with some fish cakes and boiled eggs, and you've got a meal that's out of this world. Now let's fly to Mexico. Say hello to birria tacos. These bad boys are stuffed with juicy, slow-cooked beef, then dipped in a rich, flavorful broth. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. Don't forget to dip them in the consomme. It's a flavor explosion you don't want to miss. Off to the streets of Mumbai next. Vada pav is the star of the show here. Imagine a spicy potato fritter sandwiched in a soft bun topped with tangy chutneys. It's spicy, savory, and absolutely addictive. Street food at its finest. Finally, we're landing in the USA. Ever heard of Nashville hot chicken? This fiery dish is crispy, juicy, and coated in a spicy, buttery sauce. It's not for the faint-hearted, but if you love heat, this will be your new favorite. Pro tip, have a glass of milk handy. So there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour of the best trending foods worldwide. Which one are you dying to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious adventures. Until next time, stay hungry.